All right, so we're going to change this top screen right here. As you can see, it is broken. It broke in the dumbest way possible. I just dropped a deodorant and it fell in there just the right way and it just cracked it. I got so angry. This is a Canon EOS R and I just got this in the mail. Amazon, or I think it was eBay or Amazon, one of those two. I'm gonna try to drop the link in the description. It took about 2 weeks to get here, and from what I have seen on the online, I have to heat this up. Okay, so I have to heat it up, and for that I'm using this, just a hair dryer, and I have my Victorinox here. I'm gonna try to use maybe this part right here to try and get it out. I'm gonna try to use this maybe. So I'm gonna see how it goes, and hope this is something that works for you. Okay, here goes. Just remember that I had this from my kids, just an old toothbrush that I think I'm gonna try and use here to pressure down and try to make it so it can help me suction this thing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can. All right, that didn't work. Let's try. Okay, this seems to be doing something. I guess you want to be very careful. I'm gonna hit it a little bit more. Okay. It's hot. It is hot. There we go. Okay. Be very careful not to touch the LCD screen. It's there. that. Perfect. There you guys have it. I did leave a little bit of a dust in the other side, but it's gonna live there forever now. I'm okay with that.